Go to the VPS Control Panel and enter your username and password. The login credentials to this can be found in your welcome email. Click Virtual Servers at the top of your home screen within the control panel. This will list all VPS servers associated to your account. Select the virtual server that you wish to change root password of your VPS by clicking Manage. This will take you to control page of your VPS, where you can manage your VPS. Select the root/admin password tab and click Change. Please allow a couple minutes, and then a strong password would be generated for your VPS server. You can then access your server via SSH using the new root password.